Today we will learn a queuing theory. What is the importance of queuing theory in our life? So, as we know, queuing is very crucial. Sometimes, let's take one example. As during the second wave of corona, we see that many of ambulance are waiting in front of the hospital, and due to that, many of the people who really want a treatment of corona in hospital, but due to queue and due to the rushes of many patients during the second wave, many people were died in ambulance only. So queuing is a very crucial part of a system. Queuing is many times it losses in terms of money, in terms of lives, in terms of time. Sometimes what happens? Suppose we go to pay our electricity bill at GEB office. So at that time we saw that many people are waiting in a line. So what happened? We see a long queue and we didn't join or we don't go for paying a bill. So same queue we will see, same queue we can find in mall also, we can find in hospital also, we can find in bank also, we can find in telecommunication also. Before a time when landline were used in decade, what happened when we call our relatives or we call someone from the landline number, and that relatives or that persons are also talking with another persons. So at that time we got some message in landline number as आप क्यू में है, कृपया प्रतीक्षा करें. Means आप क्यू में है means he is in another, right? So that queuing will be converted into the queuing theory. As we see in the history of queuing theory was first invented due to this telecommunication, due to this telephone queuing, interfering in line queuing by 20th century, right? So we will move forward. So now we will go forward in next slide. Here we see a queue. Many people are waiting for collecting a cash from the ATM. And this image is during a demonetizations. So as we seen during the demonetization, many people are waiting in front of bank for taking money, for taking or replacing their old 500 and 1000 notes with new 500 and 2000 notes. So second, during lockdown, we see a long queue in front of liquor shop. It will show a maximum and delay. Many people are afraid as during lockdown or liquor shops are closed, so we haven't get any liquor shop, and during the pandemic the lockdown period is uneven. It's not fixed for perfect time duration, like as from 1st May to 13 May lockdown. No, 1st to 14 May government declared 1st May to 13 May lockdown, but at 29th day it's again extended. So this situation will affect the people and they are going for liquor shop. Same thing we can see in restaurant shop, at where during when government in first wave of corona, government announced a lockdown. At that time, before announcing or before implying the lockdown, many people are resist to take their kitchen items and take their rations from malls, and they have a wide long queue. So it will affect health also. So corona pandemic, we can see a long queues and in even we can see that long queues in a different phases. Suppose in malls, various times and during various festivals, malls or any uh, uh, malls or any cloth shops where give different discounts rates. At that time they have also people rushes to take that clothes in very minimum rate, and we can see the long queue during that period. Also we can see in Ahmedabad we can see a very long queues or a very long period, and very much peoples were found in Dakarwad, in Ratanpur for purchasing his clothes or purchasing them clothes during the marriage period. So now we will move for the history of queuing theory. So what is the history? So queuing theory was first introduced in 20th century by a Danish mathematician and engineer A.K. Allan. A.K. Allan has worked in telecommunication company and exchange office, and he want to analyze and optimize its operation. Like as we seen that up queue may hit means we have to minimize and we must optimize and analyze that waiting period of the people, and he sought to determine how many circuits were needed to provide an acceptable level of telephone service and people not to be on hold. So they have think that before we can't see the call waiting. Nowadays what happen, we are talking with someone people during people with mobile, and someone is calls you, so we have got his message or we have got his call as a waiting period. So we can see that someone people or X people is calling me during I talk with Y people. So that process will be upgraded. This is the history of queuing theory, and also the waiting times he will reduce, and he served as the foundation for applying the queuing theory in 1920s. So the international unit of telephone traffic is called the Allan in his honor. Here the schematic figure or a simple explanation figure of 1920s telephone exchange. We can see here number of lines from call waiting period, and that circuit we will provide. It's a old 19th century's telephone exchange office. Clear? So what is the queuing theory? So it's a mathematical study of waiting lines. Means how much time you have to wait for getting a service, and that is a queuing theory. It's the most oldest method and widely used operation technique, research techniques. This theory is applicable in situation where the customer arrive at a shop, arrive at some service stations for service, and he will or she will wait for taking the service. Occasionally sometimes it happens, or sometimes they never wait for the service. So after getting the service, you leave the system, right? That is the queuing theory. Means customer arrive at shop, taking the service or waiting for the taking the service, and after getting the service he will left the systems. Next, it's predicting and evaluating system of performance. Means suppose in barber shop they will take 50 to 20 minutes for haircutting, and he will analyze that 4 people are waiting for the service. So he will ask or he will inform them, wait for 1 hour, wait for 1.5 hours based on hair cutting time. So that is the evaluating system and prediction of time of haircutting, right? Sometimes what happen, he will give a time as wait for 20 minutes, but that person's or one server or customer wants to haircutting as well as save, so it will increase a time by 30 minutes also. So that is a prediction. It is not a sure for waiting times, it is a prediction, and it will evaluate a system that you will wait for some times. Clear? So from next, this is a simple diagram of queuing system. Input, here the model process in which customers arrive, means here input, that is the customers arrives, here number of rounds are there, that is a queue, that is the customers who want take a service, and this is server, means this is the barber shop, right? And after cutting a hair, he will left a barber shop, that is the output. Clear? So same thing as we discussed, wait that turn to take service, and after service he will leave the system. Clear? So next, key elements of the queuing system. Which type of key elements are used? So first one, customers. Without customers there is no queue in a shops, banks or etc. So customers refers anything that arrives at the facility and require a service, like as people, like as machines, like as trucks, like as email also. Means that platform or that person or that item or that equipment who want or which want a service or maintenance, that will known as a customer. And next one is server. Means here we main two components are there, customer is there and server is there. Both will interrelated for the queuing system. When a perfect queuing system are known, one customer is there, we're waiting for the service, and one server is there who serve the service, right? So server refers to any sources that provides the requested service, means repair persons, garage persons for the car. Next one is the retrieval machines, means maintenance department for the machines, and runaways at airports, means the server. Runaways means airports. In airports that runaways are there, so that is also known as a server. So at same scenario, the aeroplane is a customer for taking a land off or takeoff. Clear? So next we will learn the application of queuing theory. So at where queuing theory are used? So in telecommunication, from telecommunication it was invented. Second one is traffic control. At we see that a traffic control, they have set some minutes, some seconds for waiting their traffic to minimize the accident. So at that time, some traffic signal we have seen there, many more cars or many more vehicles are waiting for their service. Next one is determining the sequence of computer operation, means which type of computer operation. What happen if we open many tabs in the computers? At that time, what happen? Computers start to serve a load. Means we have to simply say that will hang a computer. Why? Because many applications, many customers are waiting for the service, operate for the service, and it will load. So one server is there, that is operating system, motherboard, only one server are there, and for one server many customers are there. So due to that we have see that the processor will be slow of the computer. So that is a determining for sequence of computer operation. Next is predicting the computer performance, means if we see that in routine life, when we purchase the computer shop, when we purchase a computer, a person will ask them how much uses of computer are there. Means if we are using a computer for the share marketing, at that time we have require a strong CPU, means strong microprocessor, strong motherboards, which will operate a fraction of seconds and give the service, right? So that is a pretty computer process are there. If you will use for the study, same thing we will say in the technical language. Suppose we are playing a game in mobile, or we are playing a game in laptop. What happen? So for laptop they are give the graphics card. So due to the graphics card, we will minimize the hanging process for the computer. Means we have to get a smoothness in same thing, that is known as the RAM. We see that in mobile they are providing 8 GB RAM. 8 GB RAM means it will give a fast process for the mobile. If you can use a high graphics RAM, you can use it and it will smooth on the run. Means that is the computer as well as mobile performance. Health service means this is the best application as we seen in last 1.5 years, that is the corona pandemic. In corona pandemic we see that many people are waiting for the service, or many people are waiting for a corona treatment. That is the health service, means control of hospital beds assignments. That is one difficult task whenever some emergency situations are there, whenever some large pandemic are there. Clear? Next was airport traffic, airline ticket sales. Next is layout of manufacturing systems. So let's we see the example of real world queuing system at where we see the queuing. So first one is commercial queuing system. So commercial queuing system, so where we have seen that in dentist shop, means in hospitals, in bank, there is a commercial. ATMs, gas stations, means we have to see the long queues in CNG pumps also. Next, in garage also we have waiting for the. What happen if we give our car for the service in any service station, authorized service station or local service station? They have asked, and they have informed that wait for sometimes, or they have simply said that as आपको कार इवनिंग में मिलेगा. Why they have saying them कि इवनिंग में मिलेगा means they have predicted for servicing of one car it will take around 3 to 4 hours, or for washing it will take 1 hour. For that means cumulative 4 hours are there for serving of one car, and in garage there are 3 to 4 cars are there, so it will give you a prediction that आपको इवनिंग में मिलेगा. Clear? Next one is the transportation systems. In transportation, as we see in the best example during the pandemic, as we see is many laborers or many peoples are rushing from their native place due to the corona. As we see long queues in buses also, and transportation also during this pandemic. So that is the long services as we saw that. Next is business level, means inspection stations, conveyor belts, computer support system. That is next is a social service system, means as we seen during the judicial process, we have seen that many cases are pending in the courts. So that is the key. As we say, we listen that some of people were asked, or some of people were says that कोर्ट में बहुत केसेस पड़े हैं, कोर्ट में बहुत ज़्यादा केसेस है, तो आप अभी आप केस करोगे तो आपको 3-4 साल बाद आपका नंबर आएगा. वाई दे आर आस्किंग सच टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस? बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ केसेस आर पेंडिंग फॉर सॉल्विंग देयर प्रॉब्लम्स. So that is a judicial system. We can see that here, right? Organ transplants. Clear? So up to this we have to say. In next lectures, we have learned assumptions in queuing models.